Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. The stories of Alpha Charitable Trust embracing hurting hearts are endless. Alpha fulfilled the wish of 65-year-old Pathuti from Kayambaram, who could only move by kneeling, by constructing a much-needed toilet for her. Pathuti's life, filled with challenges and survival, has always been a source of wonder to others. She lost her parents at a young age and was later raised by her grandmother. When her grandmother also passed away at the age of 8, Pathuti became dependent on relatives. Amidst her hard work to sustain herself, she found work in a family in Vadanapalli at the age of 22. Years later, that family built Pathuti a thatched hut on 3 cents of land in Kayambaram. She then used her savings and government aid to tile the roof of her house. It was during this time that Pathuti learned about the Alpha Charitable Trust's pension scheme. After applying, Pathuti became a member of the Alpha family in 2007. At the age of 50, Pathuti married Abdul Razak, a native of Kattur. That 8-year-long life came to an end when Razak passed away 8 years ago, leaving Pathuti alone again. Meanwhile, Abdul Razak had renovated the tiled house into a terraced one. Pathuti, who was experiencing age-related difficulties, directly informed the chairman of the Alpha Trust about her need for an indoor bathroom during the Trust's annual function, leading to the Trust fulfilling her wish. The general body meeting of the Alpha Mala Center will be held on Saturday, 19th July, at 3 p.m. The meeting will review the center's activities and discuss future programs. According to Coordinator Laiji Sudhir, service, financial, and activity reports will be presented and discussed during the meeting. First-year MSW students from Kodakara Saharadya College of Advanced Studies visited the Alpha Edamuttam Hospice. The group toured the Alpha Inpatient Care Section, Palliative Physiotherapy IP, and Ashish Care Home, interacting with the beneficiaries of these services. They spent a significant amount of time with the members of the care home and participated in the memorial prayer at Upasana. Administration Manager Sandhya Sujit, Community Welfare Officers Vismaya Venugopal, and Meghna Anil Kumar gave lectures on Alpha and palliative care. Nurse in charge Sister Baby Rajan elaborated on patient care. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.